Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Melanila Bell in the building. Yes, to all my beautiful and lovely subscribers, I want to thank and supporting me. You guys are so wonderful, and it shows that I'm doing a great job, because when I see the support and the comment, it makes me very happy. So beautiful people, today let me first here to give you the gist back to back. Yes, my people, when I know on today's video, I'm going to talk about Big Boutique. I'm going to talk about Dr. Menjo, and I'm going to talk about Danny Green and Askia. Yes, beautiful people. When I know saying I always there for give una the gist as well as see for media as the play I get for give for na back to back. And first, before I begin, I want just congratulate our FBI voice of the voiceless, because she is doing a great job. You understand? Like I go ever talk for can stand for your channel, tell person say I be sorry. For stand for camera, tell person say I'm very sorry. It no be easy. It take a step where it see and say it don't vlog some information wrongly. It come back, it can light the camera, it call on the person, they say be very sorry. And I know say if that person hear that apology where person can make them publicly, it must accept them, because you know say it come off with his heart. Now the thing that this way don't make us some of who don't like your camera just for that kind of negative people, the way they feel say if they talk something that's so it get for be. No, if you vlog me, you know, you come back and discover and say what way you talk about me is not correct, it's wrong. You just need to come back and talk, say you be sorry for misinterpretation of video, or you know, so we gossiper. If we gossip something where no be na you way a day on board, if we get some information we can't gossip, and or if we see something for Facebook or any site where we get our information, we can't vlog away, no be na the real thing, we get to come back and light our camera, we can't apologize. But some people them it will be very hard for them. Like some people they just say, why do you always vlog about the TB? Yes, now the TB make most people they like their camera like me, because the way the depressed people they be plenty. So I like my camera for say, even though I get a lot of things that for do, but my join too for clean this community. And I know say I clean the community because it talk about me. Yes, it talk about me. Because the video, my video, the way they make them, it can watch them, it follow it what they talk for my video. We vlog to make you understand that what you did is wrong. We don't vlog that we hate you. I don't hate anybody. I cannot create somebody. I love everyone, but the truth now say if you do something for depressed person, they will come back and give you depression. I will come back and vlog that thing where you talk and that I will make and to me you feel what way you make and that other person feel. Because some of una name I just get information from any site, when I come from a channel, they can't light and when I just vlog them. You don't care to investigate. When you hear something from the media, you know say people always lie. They say always get information from the both sides. You get for listening for the other person in there before you can vlog them. But this one so-called mommy, the TB, what did they do? Anything where it see it vlog and forget a view, but we will know this so. We vlog what we see, but if we vlog away it be wrong, or maybe some person put a poster where you see and say, and then you will know that you get that story, you see and say maybe you are innocent, you can call and clarify yourself. It's very normal. You fit tell any person say no, don't vlog me, turn down this video. If you know you have a clear conscience, why will I not put down the video? Why will I not stop the vlogging? Why not go stop for vlogging and not say till I want vlog about you is not true? You have given me your own part of the story. But this now this thing they make us some of who they light our camera, then we make them go educate these negative platforms the way they feel say whatever thing where they see they talk they want just get that view, they want just make the money for YouTube. No, money where you make and they make person the share tears, not the money that make money where person go see you for what, even the money they pay you, person they stand up bless you with more money. If YouTube pay you 100,000 or 200,000, so person see you for what dash you 500,000 because of your good work where they do So it's not all about the YouTube money. Check how it. Yes, my people. More match fire to go for which way it can me bring and today. You know, say we Cameroonians in this, so we not be depressed as we don't. Then agree we don't take. They always use this statement every year. And I want to start with the then agree matter. Danny Green don't talk say we Cameroonians they will be so depressed. What depression will be today we go finish because we'll be so depressed. Say we'll be so badly depressed in that way where you go see somebody want grow and then you dey beat on that person, you dey envy that person, you dey come for your platform, can't talk only thing the way if the person here, if not that person we don't decide I want to do this for this person, if you stop wait we get a person who over too dull. The reason why I bring Dr. Menjo no be say I know it, but I don't watch the post where he talk about this guy Dana Green. I mean, Danny Green 237 tank prayer. See, and people, if you wonder me, you go be somebody where you call yourself, so you be a Dr. Menjo, a respectful somebody, and then you go to see this young guy where he take a precious time for do a comedy, for cry. It's not easy for stand up your camera, form cry just because you want to make people they make them laugh. I beg you now, wanna see person to do something where you find more appreciate them. It's not easy. Even person where they stand up light the camera, I preach. It's not easy. When I try for the appreciate people them, not carry a depression, not that person where they do it for make your life consume me, be depressed for that way you just feel say you feel just bring it down anytime. This guy they do a comedy, any person gets a bad side, but not condemn person for it work where they do all it put all the effort for say me make it money. Because some of you now when I see some of the guys that they go do this other illegal business there, when I can't talk say picking the need one work, but you go see some young guy like tank 237 tank prayer, it put all the effort for say may it grow in career, may it grow in work where it pay you go for your platform, you go make stupid posts, talk rubbish about the picking. Wait till the picking don't do one for you, dear Dr. Menjo, where you know if you calm down yourself, you correct it in the rightful way. Even call if you don't get a beef on him, just for the fact that this man, this Nigerian artist, how they even call himself, he don't decide for take this boy like a pikin. At least make Cameroonians so they go front. What's that all the beefing, all this hatred go carry we go? It go only bring me backwards. Would they outside of say Cameroon grow? Now I don't know. See, most people don't decide for be a YouTuber, for be a vlogger, for the vlog the thing the way they happen for 237 community. So that when some people they hear them, they go to be educated with ways where Cameroonians they be capable of doing. Don't only look about the negative side of somebody. Try to accept person the way where you date, the way where you see the person. Everybody has a bad side. If you are a man of God, any person getting bad side. Just for the fact that you be a human being, you get a bad side. Now, one thing I would favor understand. This man, he talk all kind of thing about the picking. I'm sorry about this guy. The guy no get no future. He is so arrogant. He is this. No, dear doctor, no. You don't need to do that. Leave this boy me go in career. Leave the boy me career. Take it for place where God don't decide to me take it go for this. No, bring this boy for down. What's our own problem? Why do we always talk about the negativity? Don't forget the positivity when we see am inside person. Why can't you forget about that negative side for some person? You accept the positive side and then you go through that positive side. Because some of you now just say when I get the money, when I feel sign any artist, but when I need do because the person they high. We don't come closer to the boy. If you don't come closer to it the first time they had, try again. Any man get his style. Any man get his style. He can force people that say you must be like this. We not if change black man, maybe white man. Never. Because we never do it that white people that know their own bad side when they get them. When person is struggle for grow a career, support that person. Dr. Menjo, what you are doing is not right. It is not right. Leave this boy. Make God take it for a destination. God always send a destiny helper. When I live and wait, a destiny helper at John Jazzy. When I live and meet Don Jazzy, take this guy for wherever I want to take him. Because they were beefing from here and there, it will only make me remember for one place. More leave that person, make grow with the positivity. More not stress. I watch Big Boutique and the T-Bear, they criticize Askia. I want to combine the two people that become our best friends then too. Man and woman best friends. In short, man and woman because she is a woman. It already talking the woman, so you be woman. Now already woman. Yes, not to say man and woman. Woman and woman to talk. On a man and man. Anyhow, on a see yes, that's what I don't put up on the channel. When I did ask you how me check with the way made do this, made do that. Ask you get in note and will know the shape we ask you get. Ask you is say in know his shape. When I leave this girl, me do it will be best in doing. Ask you it positive vibes level 237 over plenty for the way when I get for can bring it for na channel downgrade see. Una need tire. Some of una need tire. Una no get different to the one of it. That una see no positivity in people. Then una see only negativity. Why una be so depressed? Why una be so wicked in the kind of way una the choose for throw a person in positive side and then una want just press it. Una want just pressing out in negative side. Some of them they think they feel bad something or they know way no they manage for the 237 community. No way. Forget some people they can't stand for your channel, watch them, they give that 10k views. But not things that they like you because if they will like you, no. That 10k people they can't view you, they will like them. You know, if you do video, you get 10k, you don't get up to 500 likes. It means that they don't like you, they cash calls for your channel. Yes, do you used to think about that? I'm not sure what you used to think. So you get 12k for view for your video, but you don't have even 500 likes. And then you think that people they like you. Because even the people the way they call they say I love, they don't even like your videos. They don't even like your videos. They don't even share your videos. Because they know so what you are doing is not correct. It's not acceptable in the 237 community. So now why that way they need even share your video? They don't do anything. Yes, they joke and catch na that cruise. They joke and hear them bracketa because we over depress we for the way we would hear we always like we hearing a bad news. The storm will take and console our depression. We forget when you are so negative, people don't even like. Even if you don't, that means we don't do negativity. When you can't change for be a positive person. People will not still accept your positivity because they know say no hippo there is that positivity. But when you start, you reach for some level where you say and say what I am doing, I am expressing people. This thing that I'm doing is not good. Let me stop at this point and apologize to the audience and apologize to the 237 community. Apologize to everybody that I have hurt before, and then you private that your videos them. People go accept you for that one. No can stand for place. You can't apologize. You don't even do allow it others they do them. Because some people they apologize, they sacrifice, they turn down other people. They don't insult you there. They turn them down just for making me see how real the apology be. Because it's not easy for person for turn down like 5 or 10 of the videos the way they working money every day for YouTube. But when they can't stand for a channel, they wanna body shape people them. Askia don't do una waiting. Askia don't wait. Askia is my role model. Askia na role model for 237 community. No matter what you wanna do, she was born to be a musician. She was born to be an artist. Nothing no day wanna fit do away. It go change that girl. Una leave that girl me rest. Una leave Askia me rest. You guys should talk about her positivity. Una forget about the negative. Which kind of negativity where the Fed do? It be the first. She's only a human. It no be machine. Even machine get tired. Una forget about that girl. Una stop for can't make that girl make feel so less of herself. Some people they stand they accept say no, whatever people want to do, let them do. If they want to insult me, let them insult me. I don't care, but we are humans, like how they always talk. It hurts. It hurts. When you insult people, it hurt the tip there. Big boutique, stop for the body shame woman them. What we ask her shoe get her for do with you and the tip there? What is shoe get for do now? When I no look and say he don't meet up with his fellow colleague and my artist when at Zip and Jaco, maybe if they join together, something can cook in a big way. When I look on that one, why I get for wearing this shoe? Is his skin day so? It no say skin day so. It no say wait till I could get for you. Can we rest? Can we rest? Negative platform, negative camps. Can we rest for the 237 community? We feel rest. When I leave people there, master. Now wait see. People now wait see. You feel say a woman we want marry in future, even if you don't marry her, you feel say go get all the complete they can insult the woman. No say you struggle for straight as on young girl where you go and take it put it for your house. People don't can't drag it for media because they know say you be always drag them. See what you do and so they don't feel say that people already do and for them they forget. Somebody can take 10 years and reply your message. Now one thing that the faithful understand. No feel say because you can't start like Coach Melanie, some fat girl, some this before I don't insult you now. But wait me, when I feel don't can experience that kind of thing again for future where it be linked to it, I did join you and that person people in an arrogant way, people for that kind of way will understand say will be human. You insult me today, I feel insult you in 50 years to come. Because I see at that time when that insult go hot for your skin, so I you back to back that time. So don't feel say because you stand up body shame the woman, so in future your woman where your people go suffer. And if you have to say woman, say you go for married. You go very married. You be fair woman. You go married. You are married again. Another woman again do Most stop all the nonsense what they do. This negative platform, the moon has stopped the rubbish one that they do, because we not go stop. We go only come the debunker for our channel. Any two, if you can't, the worst one I ask her, me man no can stand her, you can't marry in so ask her. When I leave that girl, she's doing a great job. You know, easy for same person go take 1 year for collab with more than 5 artists. Them, she's doing a great job. It give me song the way the ginger wa kidney. Yes, now then the maker would know say 2TV7 music industry the boom. When I leave the was celebrity, they me the rest here. When I never think I say we no fit give money for Cameroon. People they manage anyhow they feel manage from put their career intact, for put where they get them intact, for put their music intact, bring them for the public more enjoy. Not they will give these artists them. Apart so they go watch their music cash cruise. If you don't like some artists, you know people call that artists. You feel one of for my channel, and then I cash my cruise. The more of it I say I'll cash cruise with that music. Any music where they play and they do my video there. But those artists they need money sometimes they will do that. For put out their work then for outside will not give them that work. So at least we don't put all the effort, they struggle, come out to wait where they get them. Let us accept it that way. Who accept on that way? We are not very perfect. We are very jaga. We are too, but we are the only coach people. We are very daily bird flies in the sky. We are not see them. We are only about body shape people them. Body shape woman they for nothing. What you do woman don't do for now. We are leave people that mean the rest for the 237 community. Because if the person for be now, if they will give all my flour, me go bake itself, they me I for sit there for inside machine. Yes, I know for don't complete now, so maybe I will complete in 50 years to come, or the next generation to come. Every day when I see the my shape there, so I go arrange my own this thing so for inside my machine. So guys, I be so busy today. I say my job come for this. Can't like camera to that. Give one of the gist where I get them. Man, don't leave my people then. So yes. So if you don't watch me right from the beginning right up to this time, I love you. If you don't watch me, don't forget to watch me, subscribe, like my videos, share my video. Love you guys.